Hello, welcome back to the channel Semiarc Mathematics for Maths Tuition. Today we are going to discuss the process of mathematics subtraction. What is subtraction? Subtraction means simply the difference between two numbers. For example, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 means the difference between 6 and 2. What is the number? I can explain with a number line. If you go for number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see from 0 to 2 and 0 to 6. What is the difference? If you take the number 2 from 6, how much is coming? I mean, what is the unit is coming? You can count from here 1, 2, 3, 4. So the difference between 6 and 2, it is 4. This process is called subtraction. Another example, if I take 9 minus 3, you know the answer. The difference between 9 and 3, no need to draw a number line to understand the concept. I told you the difference between two numbers is actually single digit number difference we are doing. 9 minus 3, it is as easy. The number answer is 6. For example, another question, 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0, you know that 0 doesn't have any value. If you subtract 0 from any number, the answer is the same number. 8 minus 0, it is 8. Now let us discuss the subtraction of a two-digit number. For example, 47 minus 26, 88 minus 57, 95 minus 39. How we will subtract? Because we cannot go for a number line, because 47 here to draw 47 unit is not possible to subtract two numbers, especially two-digit number with a number line. So we have to know the process. The process is just like addition. What we done, you have to write two numbers, 47 minus 26. You have to subtract. I mean, you have to find the difference between the unit places. What is the unit place here? One is 7, another is 6. 7 minus 6, or the difference between 7 and 6, the answer is 1. Next, 4 minus 2, the answer is 2. So the total answer is 21. If I go the next example, 88, subtract 57. The same process, you have to go the unit number first. The difference between 8 and 7, it is 1. And the difference between 8 and 5, the difference is 3. So the answer is 31. The first answer is 21. The second answer is 31. Let us discuss the third example. When we are discussing the third example, 95 minus 39. The same process you have to follow here. 95 minus 39. You have to subtract the unit places. The unit place 5 and 9. So you know that one, the upper number is 5, lower number is 9. 5 is a smaller number, 9 is a bigger number. So you are not able to subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. We know the difference between 5 and 9 is 4, but that is not the answer, because we are not subtracting a single digit. We are finding the difference between 95 and 39. So we have to apply a method here, that is called the borrowing method. 95 means actually it is 90 plus 5. This is a tens place number. I'm taking a 1 from here. 1 means actually you have to consider I'm taking 10. 90 minus 10 means 80. So I'm taking 1 means it will become 8. And if I take 1 here, it is not 1 plus 5, 6. You have to consider 10 I taken. So 10 plus 5, 15. So the 5, if I take 1 from here, you have to consider the 5 will change into 15. Now you know the difference between 15 and 9. 15 minus 9, the answer is 6. When you come to the next level, here not 9 minus 3, it is 8 minus 3. You know the difference between 8 and 3. So 8 minus 3 means the answer is 5. So your answer is 56. So this method is called borrowing the number. If you are getting a subtraction in this method, the lower number is bigger than the upper number, you have to borrow from the next level. Let us discuss another example. 848 minus 359. This is actually a 3-digit number. The process is same. You have to subtract the lower number from the upper number. So we start from right to left, the normal traditional conventional method. So 8 minus 9. As we discussed the previous example, it's not possible to subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. 9 is a big number than the 8. So we cannot subtract 9 from 8. So the process, borrowing from the next line. Next line is a 4, is at tens place. I'm borrowing one number from here. So if I'm borrowing a number 1 from here, the 8 will change into 18 and this 4 will change into 3 because we taken 1 from here. So 18 minus 9, you know the process. The difference 18 minus 9, you know the answer is 9. Here again the problem. This number 4 is changed to 3. 3 minus 5. 5 is a bigger number than the 5. So you cannot subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. Again you have to borrow from here. If you borrow from here, it will change into 13 and this will change into 7. So 13 minus 5, you know the difference. 13 minus 5, the answer is 8. And the last line, the hundreds place, you have 7, you have 3. So you know the difference between 7 and 3. That means 7 minus 3, it is 4. So the answer is 489. Let us discuss one more example. 8012 minus 7109. So when you are subtracting these two numbers, the same method you have to follow. You have to write the first number first, second number second, and you have to subtract the unit places. So 2 minus 9. Again, we are facing the problem. 9 is a bigger number, 2 is a smaller number. So you have to carry or you have to borrow from the next line. So next line is actually your 1. You're carrying one, you're borrowing 1 from here means this 2 will change into 12. The 2 change into 12. You taken 1 from here. We have already 1 here. If you carry 1 from 1, nothing is remaining. So you will get 0 here. So you already taken the 1 here. So 12 minus 9, you know the answer. It is 3. When you come with next line, 0 down also 0. 0 minus 0. No need to carry anything because 0 minus 0 means 0. You are subtracting 0 from a 0. Same number is subtracting from same number. The answer is same number. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 3, 0. So 0 minus 3, 0, 0. If you're subtracting same number from same number, the answer always will be 0. So 0 minus 0, answer is 0. But here, the third level, the 100th place you're coming, again you're facing the problem. You have to subtract a bigger number 1 from a smaller number 0. So you have to borrow from the next line. Here, if you borrow 1 from 8, the 8 will change into 7. If you borrow 1 from here, the 0 will change into 10. You have to consider the 1 will borrow here, it will change into 10. You know 10 minus 1, it is 9. And again the same number is subtracted from same number. 7 minus 7. We discussed here, if you subtract the same number from the same number, the answer always 0. So 7 minus 7, 0. So earlier class we discussed 0 has a value when 0 will come after one number. For example, this 0 has a value because 0 coming after 8. If this 0 is here, there is no value for 0. The answer is 812. If the 0 will come here, it will be 8012. Same method here, 7 minus 7, 0. So no need to write 0 here. For understanding and writing 0, the answer only this much, 903. I hope you understand the concept of subtraction. Actually, we discussed subtraction of the positive number. We discussed the single digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, and we just discussed how if you are getting a bigger number in the lower line and I'm a smaller number in the upper line, how to borrow from the next level. These all we discuss. Next class we'll discuss more detail about addition and subtraction when positive number and negative number coming together. If a positive number and negative number come together, how will add, how will subtract? This we are going to discuss on next class. Thank you for watching.